if you're a fat pig like me and you just need this treat right now, honestly, just make it, because this time we're never gonna get back again, and it's gonna be amazing. You know it is. Good evening, and I am going to be doing a little bit of baking right now. I wasn't going to, because from about 11 o'clock this morning I haven't been hungry, even though I've ate my dinner and stuff like that, yeah, that lunch. But I've really wanted to make this, and it sounds amazing, and I've had a bit of like a struggle day. Like, I really, some days are amazing, some days aren't, and I think that is for everyone as well. So we're gonna make this, which I saw on Pinterest the other week, and I thought, let's make it because it sounds amazing. So this is what we are going to make. So first, I have got a parchment paper on a baking tray. You need puff pastry or short crust pastry. I've got short crust. I'd probably say puffed is better, but there we go. Turn your oven on to 180, and that's my fan oven, and I've just followed the cooking, like how to cook it on the back of this. You are going to need a banana. It depends how big this like the bananas are, but I might use 1 or 2. I've got like 8 there, but I might just use 1 because that's what I've got extra. And you'll need Nutella or chocolate spread, whatever you want to use. I've got a knife and a knife and scissors as well, just in case. And it's as simple as this. I hope. I've never made it before, but it looks amazing. Okay, so let's open this short crust pastry. Ready rolled 1 sheet. Oh, I have washed my hands, by the way. Do that first. Oh wow, it's already on parchment paper. How amazing. So you're not going to need a whole roll. I don't think, anyway. Right, let's just open it like that for now. The next part you need to do is, see, look, you're only going to have it for your banana, which is just going to lay like that. So that is perfectly fine. So we'll cut down here. And I should have just used the scissors. So take that off, and then I will use this bit of short crust pastry tomorrow to make a pizza or whatever I decide. So unpeel your banana now. It says to dip the banana in the Nutella. I got this yesterday for this recipe, and I started to eat it, so I hope this is enough. It says, yeah, it says dip it in it, but I don't like the sound of dipping it in because I don't think it's going to cover it. So I'm just going to spread the Nutella onto here. Slop, slop, slop. Okay, I think that's enough, but just in case, I am going to leave this in the Nutella pot before I lick it, just in case I need some more. Now put your banana on. You don't need to cut it up. You might, if it's straighter, it might be better, but oh, it looks so good. Right, now I'm going to get a proper cutting knife, and we are just going to do strips down. The Nutella knife didn't want to stay in the Nutella. So yeah, just cut it diagonally. You probably could have gone with less, actually. Less pastry. And then the same, that's other side. one more here. Right. You can tell I happily eat this like this. Now what you need to do, you might want to just take the ends off because they haven't got anything in them, on them. But you need to, yeah, let's just take that bit off. That looks amazing. If your banana's longer, obviously, this would be a little bit better. Or you could just cut your pastry short. But for me, we're gonna make it work. So all I am doing, I think you can see, is, let me turn it that way so you can see, is I am taking one from that side, then one from this side, and crisscrossing it over. Okay, I don't know where you really cut off, but anyway, I think not very far. So all I'm doing is crisscrossing the Nutella and the pastry over. Okay, this is right where it's going to get a bit confusing because I think it's going to then wrap the other way round, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. So. We want this one over like so. Then the ends are a bit crazy. Maybe that should have gone over first, never mind. Okay, this end looks a bit rubbish, this end doesn't. I am going to just put this in the oven as well whilst it's got Nutella on, and why not? To just roll that up. That bit can go, oh, I could make jam tarts, but I'm not going to. That bit's going to go in too. So I'm going to put this in the oven now for, what did I say, 13 to 15 minutes. I put it in for 14 because I'll just keep an eye on it. If you're a fat pig like me and you just need this treat right now, honestly, just make it, because this time we're never going to get back again and it's going to be amazing. You know it is. So just make it, treat yourself, get back on track tomorrow if that's how you feel. If not, make it again tomorrow, won't matter. But it's gonna make me feel better in myself, and not that I don't feel like rubbish like endo or really mentally, I've just got no get up and go today. I think it's because the neighbour's flipping alarm clock goes off at 3:37 every morning on the weekday, and it wakes me up, and that is just too much and annoying. I think that is the problem with me today, is I got woken up at 3:37. So that's cooking. Be back once it is cooked. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat that. Okay, if you want it to look a little bit better, you need to egg wash it. Burnt that bit, but it looks good. Let me try and open it now, because apparently it's look I don't know how you can see, but in there it's a bit gooey. 1 minute, so let me put you back here. I did the whole 15 minutes, by the way, as well. Cut open and see. You can see it's all runny. Anyway, that looks and smells amazing. I'm gonna go eat this now for my tea. Sorry, Caesar salad, you can stay in the fridge for tomorrow. This girl needs this, and that's what I'm gonna eat for my tea.